All right, hey guys, Trey here once again, and today in this video we're going to be doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. Today I'm going to be showing my fiance how to write Hello World in 3 different programming languages. We're going to do one in, of course, Java, another one in JavaScript, and one more in Python. So, without further ado, we're going to get started. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, so which language do you want to do first?
I'll do the Java.
Of course, she picks Java. Even when she doesn't even know how to program, Java is still the first choice. So, all right, so I'm going to tell you exactly what to write, and we'll get it done. So go ahead and click in between these two, like right here. So in Java, the way you're going to print out something to the screen is by using a print statement. It's going to be, so you're going to type in system with a capital S, then say dot out dot print, and then do ln. All right, now put some parentheses, open and closing. All right, now in between the parentheses, you're going to add some quotation marks. All right. Now, inside the quotation marks, you can put whatever you want. It's supposed to say hello world, but go ahead, have fun. Put whatever you want in here. I thought it was supposed to have two. Wait. So.
I think it's the 2 E's.
It's for the female, or is that for the male?
The 2 E's is for the male. And the 1 E is for
female.
The female, I think. Yeah.
I can't remember. I don't know about that apostrophe either. Is that supposed to be there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
All right. So we have our first Hello World program written. So to save the program, just hit Control S. All right. Now you have it saved. So now we're going to compile and run this. Do you want to do the compiling? Or do you want me to do the compiling?
Is it hard?
It's one line.
Oh, well, I can do it.
All right, so you got to click down here. All right, now you're going to type Java C, all right, space, and then you're going to put, do a capital H, and then hit tab. All right, now hit enter. Oh, we made one humongous mistake, and I should be ashamed of myself being a Java programmer. We forgot the semicolon. I got so caught up in trying to figure out how to spell fiance that I forgot to tell her to put the semicolon. So at the end, after that parenthesis, you need to put a semicolon. All right, now save once again.
Well, enter?
No, Control S.
Oh.
All right, go back down here. Just click, no matter where you click it. All right, hit Control L. All right, now type in Java C, space, capital H, tab. All right, and hit enter. All right, it is successfully compiled. We can see we have our Hello World class file here. So to run this, you need to type in Java, and then space, and then type it. Just hit capital H, and then tab. All right, take away that dot. Now hit enter. All right, and see, it printed it out right here. So you did your first Hello World program in Java. All right, so let's move on to which one do you want to go to, Python or JavaScript?
JavaScript.
All right, heading on to JavaScript. And this one is much, much easier. All you have to do is type in console, C-O-N-S-O-L-E, All right, dot, log, L-O-G, and then open parentheses. All right, and then quotations. All right, and then put whatever you want in here as well. You can write hello world if you can't think of anything. All right, and now save, Control S. All right, and then go down here. You don't need to compile this. All right, click Control L just to clear it. All right, and now you're gonna type in node, N-O-D-E space, and then put in lowercase h, tab, and then JS. All right, now hit enter. And now it prints out hello world. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. So now we're gonna do Python, and Python is pretty much equally as easy. So we're going to go here, and now you're just going to type print, and then open parentheses. All right, you know what to do from here. All right. Yep, Control S. Yep.
Not the semicolons and stuff?
Nope, no semicolons in this language. So go down there. Control L. All right, now you're going to do dot slash, so dot, then forward slash, and then type the H, lowercase h, then tab. All right, then hit enter. And now it printed out ice cream. So you know how to do a Hello World program in 3 different languages now. Do you feel like a programmer?
At the moment.
All right, awesome. See, we're spreading the knowledge. And as you can see, just that fast, she's already picking up on some of the concepts. She knows that when you're printing something out, you're going to need these quotations. She also knows basically how to save and compile these programs now. And now she's a world-class programmer, the best I've ever seen.
Thank you.
All right. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.
Like and subscribe to this channel and all that jazz, and we'll see you in the next one.